Rolling.
I see you got your PhD at 18. Astrophysics, was it?
Dark matter distribution in disk galaxies.
Dark matter, that's the stuff that makes up the universe. Except we can't see it. It doesn't interact with the stuff we know about in the way we'd expect.
No. But we can infer its presence from its gravitational effect on visible matter. We can't see it, but we know it's there. Will many police officers be able to gain my trust by having this conversation?
Well, I just like to read books, so.
It beats burning them.
You, though, you're the one who's practically a genius.
Practically.
You went to Oxford at...
13.
Wow. I mean, it's very young. It's bad enough you being the clever one in the family. These kids, these prodigies, they're not one thing, they're not another. Well, they're freaks, really. But I expect your parents were proud.
Very. There were newspaper articles, pictures in the paper, me, Dad and Mum smiling in the library. When I was 9, I proved tan minus 1x. It's tangent minus 1, negative x. They bought me a dress, got me on the news.
But still, must have been, like, what, 13, classmates of what, 20, 22, no friends your own age, no boyfriend.
That's quite a presumption. Actually, I matured very early, sexually.
You familiar with Occam's razor?
All things being equal, the simplest solution is the best solution.
Well, what this principle tells me is the only person we know to have been in your parents' house this morning was you.
I don't see how it's possible to draw that conclusion.
There's no evidence of an intruder.
Absence of evidence isn't evidence of absence.
Okay, fine. I'm making a leap, but it's a tiny leap. More of a hop, really.
Is this the part where you asked me if I hated my parents?
It's about that time, yeah.
Do they make me a freak? Yes. Did I hate them? Absolutely. Did I kill them? No.
Can you prove that?
I can't prove a negative. It can't be done.
Well, innocence is a negative. It's the absence of guilt.
Which means that the burden of proof is entirely yours. You think I did this? You have to demonstrate how and when.
Oh, I won't be able to do that, will I?
You can certainly try.
Because there's nothing. You don't interact with the stuff we know about in the way we expect. Your presence, your actions, they can only be inferred by a certain absence.
Is that a compliment?
Oh, absolutely.
I hope you're not trying to beguile me.
I wouldn't be that foolish. But here's the thing, Alice. Right now, you can revel in your brilliance. People slip up. Every single time.
That's just a faulty logic postulated from imperfect data collection. What if you only catch the people who make mistakes? That would skew your figures, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it just? But really, that's the thing. Most criminals, they're just not as clever as they think they are.
Well, that must get very monotonous for someone as brilliant as you.